It's me, your mathematics teacher. I hope you all are good and safe at home. Our today's topic is calculation of area of compound shapes, or you can say the composite figures. If you remember that in exercise 8a we have learnt about the perimeter of compound shapes, but the area calculation is totally different way. Area of composite shapes. Composite means a shape that can be split to make more than one shape. So if we are able to make more than one shapes from a single shape, so that means that is a composite shape. So where could I draw a line to make this line? Here is one line drawn in front of you. This is one way to make the this portion 1 and 2. Here is another way also. I can draw a line here like this, and then I can also make some shapes over there. So this is up to you. 1 2 3 you can make just one, and this whole you can use as 2. So it's totally up to you that how you split the shape and then calculate the area, because in this class you have learned about the area of rectangles and squares. So that means your whole focus is on just splitting the shape into rectangles and squares. Okay, so that means it is going to be a very easy concept for you. So let's see that how we are going to basically do it. Here is an example in front of you. As you can see, I have a composite figure that is a combination of rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. Rectangle 2 is the green one, rectangle 1 is the just like the yellow one. Colors basically they are just telling you that this is one shape, this is one whole shape like this. Okay, and this is I just split this shape into two parts. So as you can see, the measurements of rectangle 1 6 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So that means the sides given, lengths and breadths given. So what is the area of rectangle 1? As we have learned, the area of rectangle that is equal to length into breadth. So what is my length of rectangle 1? That is 6 centimeter, and what is the breadth of rectangle 1? That is 5 centimeter. So the area is going to be 30 square centimeter. 6 times 5, 30 square centimeter. Area of rectangle 2. Rectangle 2, as you can see, my length is 4 centimeter and my breadth is 3 centimeter, and the formula to calculate the area of rectangle is length times breadth. So 4 times 3 is 12 square centimeter. But the question is, how could you calculate the area of this compound shape, like this whole shape all together, rectangle 1 and rectangle 2? So that means for getting the total, as we get the total in junior classes, we are adding the numbers. So for getting the total area of this compound shape, we are going to add the area of rectangle 1 and area of rectangle 2. So 30 square centimeter plus 12 square centimeter is equal to 42 square centimeter. So basically the area of this compound shape is 42 square centimeter. So let's move towards some other examples. Compound area. Calculate the area of this compound shape. So as you can see, this shape, it has different measurements given to you. So first we are going to break this shape, split this shape into 2 parts, 3 parts according to the need, and then we are going to calculate its area. So you can see now I have broken this shape into 2 parts, shape A and shape B. I just gave the name, or you can say rectangle 1 or rectangle 2. It's up to you, whatever the name you want to give. So this is shape A. I just draw the dotted line over here, and shape A is separated out by 7 centimeter length and 3 centimeter breadth, and shape B is separated by 6 centimeter length and 4 centimeter breadth. So I hope you understand this, that how to break a shape into 2 parts, okay, or 3 parts. It's according to the need of the question. So here is the shape. Let's start calculation. Since I gave the name A, so I'll use the name A. So area of shape A, that is going to be length times breadth. So what is my length of shape A? That is 7 centimeter times 3 centimeter. So that means area of shape A is 21 square centimeter. Now area of shape B. Shape B, or you can say the rectangle B. It's totally up to you, whatever the name you want to give. So what is the length and breadth already written, but you can write it again, no issue. What is my length? 6 centimeter, and what is my breadth? 4 centimeter. So area of this shape is 24 square centimeter. So now I need to calculate the area of this whole shape. So what is the total area? Total area. For total area, what I am going to do? Area A, or you can say area of A plus area of B. So if you don't mind, then I can write this again. Sorry. Total area, let me write it for you, is equal to area of A, because learning is very important in these cases. Proper steps. Area of B. What was area of A? That was 21 square centimeter. What was area of B? 24 square centimeter. What is the total area of this shape? 5 and this 4, 45 square centimeter. So that means total area of this compound shape is 45 square centimeter. I hope you understand the concept of this compound area. Let's have another example exactly the same. So what you can do over here, you can split the shape in this way. So you can say this rectangle 1, and you can say this one rectangle 2. So in this way you can also give the names, and you can calculate the area of these this shape in the same way I have shown you the steps in the previous question. Let's move towards this one. Here is another compound shape for you. So let's see how to calculate its area. The first target to split the shape into two parts. So I just give the name 1 and 2 this time. Rectangle 1 and rectangle 2, because these are in the rectangular shapes. So let's start calculation. First I am writing the formula for area of rectangle. At once I'll write it, and then you can just calculate it. What is the area of rectangle? That is equal to length times breadth. So now I'm going to calculate the area of shape 1, or you can say area of rectangle 1. That is going to be, what is the measurements of rectangle 1? As you can see, 3 centimeter is the length of this rectangle and 2 centimeter is the breadth of this rectangle. So 3 centimeter times 2 centimeter. What is the area? 6 square centimeters. Now move towards area of rectangle, and rectangle you can write like this. Just draw the shape. Rectangle 2. What is rectangle 2 measurements? As you can see here, 7 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So 7 centimeter is the length, 2 centimeter is the breadth. So what is the area? 14 square centimeter. It's 14, it's not 114. So now we are about to calculate the total area of this shape. Sorry, it's total area of the shape. So total area is equal to area of 1 shape 1 or rectangle 1 plus area of shape 2. So what was the area of shape 1? That was 6 square centimeter. Then what was the area of shape 2? 14 square centimeter. So see, 6 plus 14, it's 20 square centimeter. So this is the way you can calculate area of compound shapes. I hope you understand the concept, and I hope you'll be able to split the shapes and then the calculation of the total shape or the area of the compound shape. Stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.